My goodness, we are back from our trip, and look who we got. We got the two babies. Don't tell Mom onesie.
You're ready to start telling some stories today.
Yeah.
She said I couldn't talk back at the hospital, but I'm gonna say something today.
And Brittany is here. Yes. We're getting ready to film a live Don't Tell Mom and get a little snack in first. She's so freaking cute. She's adorable.
Should we have her on the podcast? Should she be like our special guest?
Oh yes.
Oh, you want me to bend down so you can see her more?
Totally.
I think if for some reason we were to have more kids, I'm not so worried about Brooks being the one having a hard time with it.
Yeah, she would be. She would totally.
Yeah. Hey. Say hey.
Who's that? You say,
oh, she stopped.
Gaga Gates? Gaga Gates? Gaga Gates?
Hand up both toes.
Gaga Gates? Look how cute his eyes are. Oh, alert.
You said those, not his, right?
Those eyes.
That's my girl.
Those eyes are.
She almost done. Look at her. Did that last
Oh
little
my
bit?
gosh.
Look who's got you now. Hey. Is that your cousin? She likes you. That's so cute. You love your cousin? The baby?
She's got my finger.
Oh, she does. She did just grab your finger. Good thing you washed your hands. See, that's why I told you to wash your hands, right? Because babies like to grab fingers. Look at that. That's so sweet.
Her hair's the same kind as mine.
Yeah, that's what your little hair looked like when you were a baby too. And it's still the same color as yours.
Yeah.
That's so
My hair
cute.
just up close to it, then I won't be able to tell which is which.
I know, let's see. Let's look. Yours is just a little bit lighter. Oh, sorry. Do you not want to compare hair color? I'm sorry. You didn't want to hear about that? Oh, he's okay. You awake? What'd you say you were going to be?
Her babysitter.
You and a babysitter for the whole day? Hey. Look at your little face. Oh! Oh, bless you. She's neat. He's got baby Sophia now. Brooks, her big brother cousin. Yeah. You being so easy with her. Her hands, aren't they so sweet and soft? Look, if you put your finger, you just wash your hands. Look, put your finger up under her hand and she'll hold your finger. Should wiggle it around a little bit. Oh, look. She held your finger. Isn't that sweet? You like her pants? They're so cute, aren't they? Are y'all gonna be friends?
Yeah.
Oh, big yawn. Oh, y'all both yawned. You just woke up from your nap.
He does touch my cheeky.
She just touched your cheeky.
Yeah.
That's so sweet. Can you say cheese with her and take a picture? Oh, that's so sweet.
My bike.
Your bike. Good morning. It is officially family day. Officially, we're back on track after the Disney vlogs, and we are at the park. It's also Catterday, so I don't know when y'all see this. Y'all probably see this on the following Catterday. But
It could be. You never know when you're gonna.
we got a couple videos before this one that went live.
If
Y'all missed everything, go check it out. I'll create a playlist for the Disney vlogs, so y'all go check those out. The Disney World vlogs. Did y'all have fun in Disney World?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The car.
And on the Disney cruise.
Yeah.
Now we're we're back in the freezing cold of March for some reason.
We go from Bahamas to cold mamas. We're getting ready to walk into the park and go ride some bikes and kick some balls. Been here with Gaines when she was a little bitty baby.
I have?
Yeah, they used to have a caterpillar here. Do they not have it anymore?
They do. It's over there. Gaines and I were here for a birthday party like a couple months
Oh, that's
ago.
right.
Uh-oh, we're losing our balls.
Hate when my balls fall off.
You can play the game and you can act out the part, even though it wasn't written for you.
There's the caterpillar.
Tell me, how can you stand there with your broken heart?
Yay, boy.
Ashamed to play in the fool. One thing will lead to another. It doesn't take any sacrifice.
I didn't even have to catch you.
Oh, father and mother, sister and brother, if it feels right, don't you think twice? Shower the people you know we love. Show them the way that you feel. Things are gonna be just fine. If you want them, they will. Yeah. You can run, but you cannot hide. And oh, this is why I lean on. Tell me what you plan to do with your foolish pride when you're all by yourself alone. And once you tell somebody the way that you feel, you can feel it beginning to ease. I guess it's true what they say about the squeaky dam will always get in the creeks. So shower the people you know we love. Show them the way that you feel. Things are gonna work out fine. If you want, they will. I said, all you gotta do is just shower the people you know we love. Show them the way that you feel. Things are gonna be just fine. If you want, they will.
Must not even much rain lately because it's low enough.
I know. I remember when this wasn't even man-made and it was just like an actual creek that we used to try to crawl over and jump over, and then they turned it into like a man-made thing.
Yeah, they like contained it, I guess is the word.
Yeah.
Oh, you hit that wall over there.
All right, we're headed to Grandberry's house for lunch.
What day is it?
St. Patrick's Day.
Ring the doorbell.
Ring the doorbell.
St. Patrick's Day. Only one time. Come on in, she said.
Okay, go in. Oh, don't push the door.
Whoa, who is it? Oh, it smells delicious.
She has got her green on, got his green on, the look of the Irish.
Hey, Grandberry. God, it smells so good.
Man, it smells good. Hey,
It smells so good. Hey, hey, hey.
trees. How about those trees that are no
We
more?
need to line that up and get some. Happy St. Patrick's Day.
You have to say that.
I got on green boxers, so I'm good.
So we got
Yeah,
spaghetti.
please, looks amazing.
Awesome.
Smells amazing.
Very Irish meal, but
Hey, baby.
We actually,
It's okay.
they don't bother us.
well, come on, baby, come on.
She's okay. She's just licking. She's just licking.
They're supposed to be back in the garage.
Oh, Grandberry's getting some trees cut down in her backyard, and it is looking so good out there. I don't know if y'all can even see out there, but they have tons of trees out there that are getting cut down. Let me see if I can
Oh,
see
I'm
that.
jealous. I want our trees.
No, we're gonna have to like get a number and call them. Look at all those trees that have gotten cut down so far. Whoa, look at that. Look at that tree. Climbed all the way up there.
How did he do that?
He's got spikes in his shoes.
And they cut down
30 trees and hauling them all off. They're gonna have a clean backyard. Look at that. They got a bobcat out there.
One is a clean backyard.
Wow. And he has to start at the very top and then work his way down.
Why?
He's on brakes. That was really skinny.
Whoa, that is crazy cool.
I'm scared.
There's a guy over there getting ready. Like, what if one falls on his head over there?
Attached
he's hooked up somewhere somehow. I got a guy down here cutting all the trees up and putting them in places. There he goes.
You watching games?
Let it fall, and they're using that tree as a pulley with tied up to the rope. So it goes timber. Whoa, that's so cool. Oh my gosh, we just ate the best lunch ever.
It was a cheat meal. Cheat meal. Noodles.
You got some new chains from Grandberry for your birthday?
I got a chain. Look at this pretty necklace.
That is adorable.
Adorable. Love it. Thank you, Grandberry. So cute. Look at that. I gotta like lay them all down right there. I got them all twisty.
But you like those big.
Oh, I do. I do. That's so pretty.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Right for the beach too. You can wear that on
Oh, it is beach.
beach night.
Yeah. On beach night. It kind of looks like it could be like seashells or something.
Yeah.
That is so pretty.
I like it.
I love it. We'll continue the birthday celebration situation. Thank you. Let's see if I do it.
You have to say happy birthday.
Because it was Mommy's birthday.
And I haven't seen Grandberry since my birthday. Look, here I go. I got it all tangled up when I was trying to put it on. Look, there we go.
They got this tree tied up right here. And it looks like they're going to pull it over with the bobcat. And just snap it in half. Pulling it tight. Oh no, they're not going to pull it over. He's going to chop it now from the bottom. He's going to put some tension on it. He is loving this out here. Here he goes. He's going to chop it down. Back it on up, Terry. Timber! Whoa! Boom! Is that cool? Uh-oh. It is 8 o'clock in the morning. Mary Poppins is in the house.
Welcome to the vlog.
We've got a bubble machine up there. We've got lights set up. We've got the camera set up.
We need Mary Poppins right now to take care of these children.
Yes, they are set up in the playroom, entertaining themselves after a crazy morning. But we've got everything set up here. We're getting ready to do a little photo shoot here.
Check out Tullian27 on Instagram and see what he posted.
Yeah. Oh, I'm in my boxers. That's not for the pic, the photo.
You know what's cool though is that like Gaines and I saw this in the theater and we loved it and we thought it was really cute, and it's just so cool that we get to do stuff like this. Like the kids are really excited because they love the movie and they're like, we get to make a scene for Mary Poppins.
We gotta watch the little clip this morning.
Yes, they're loving it.
Mimic. You're giving away your secrets there. That's one of my shirts.
Yeah, and it's a dress from college that won't zip up. So.
One of Brooks's bow ties.
Yeah, one of Brooks's bow ties, Cullen's shirt, and my dress is too small, but we're making it work.
And a recycled Captain Crunch Halloween costume. So, it should be fun.
Where's the menu button?
We need a timer.
Yep.
We need a
That
timer.
would really be helpful. We should have like had somebody have their tops.
Let's get all bubbly in here. Look how cool this is looking. Woo! Okay, let's do more bubbles. And that is how you end
It's like Mary Poppins came in and made some
a
magic.
morning photo shoot.
I
That is
swear
really
that
weird.
was not set up at all. I walked over here, I was like, oh my gosh, a legit smiley face where some bubbles came out. That's crazy.
Yo, do y'all see that?
Mary Poppins
I think Brooke splashed some over here on accident, and that is like some Mary Poppins magic
I
right there.
promise you it's not so.
No, don't splash again, buddy. Wow, we got a mess to clean up here. Was that fun?
Yeah. Mommy, take off your Mary Poppins coat so you
Mary
can
Poppins
have
coat.
just the dress.
There you go.
I mean, it looks like I went to a a formal with some guy and I borrowed his shirt afterwards.
Well, it looks like I just jumped out of a cereal box.
It
so
does,
we're all good. Yeah, it does. It looks like you just put on my dapper stuff afterwards.
After our little rendezvous at the formal event.
I married Poppins Magic.